Why do some educational moments etch themselves permanently in our minds, while others dissolve into the fog of forgetfulness? Could there be a key to unlocking clarity in the maze of complex ideas? In this video, we're tackling a fascinating topic. How can we make abstract ideas stick using concrete examples? We'll explore the power of concrete examples in learning, offer some scenarios, and our suggested top strategies for success. Let's get started. Abstract ideas are everywhere in education, from concepts like theories in physics to ecosystem balance in environmental studies. But here's the catch. Our brains are wired to grasp concrete information far more easily than abstract notions. The effectiveness of concrete examples in education is grounded in dual coding theory and the cognitive load theory. Dual coding theory proposes that information processed in both verbal and nonverbal systems, like words and images, is more easily learned and recalled. Concrete examples often provide this dual encoding by attaching an abstract concept, verbal, to tangible related scenarios, nonverbal. Cognitive load theory suggests that our working memory has a limited capacity. Abstract concepts can be cognitively demanding because they lack context, making them harder to process and understand. Concrete examples reduce this cognitive load by providing context, making abstract ideas more digestible and easier to remember. Concrete examples serve as bridges, making these abstract ideas not only accessible but memorable. To illustrate the power of concrete examples further, let's explore the abstract concept of ecosystem balance. Ecosystem balance refers to the harmonious interaction of elements within an ecosystem, ensuring its health and sustainability. So consider a local pond ecosystem. Initially, it has a balanced number of fish, algae, and aquatic plants. The plants provide oxygen for the fish, and the fish help control the algae population, ensuring clear water. However, if too many fish are removed from fishing, algae grow unchecked, depleting oxygen and leading to a murky pond and dying fish population. This scenario helps students visualize and understand the delicate balance within ecosystems and the consequences of disrupting it. While concrete examples are powerful, they come with a challenge. Ever notice how students might remember the story but miss the concept? This phenomenon isn't just common, it's backed by research. Our brains often latch onto the vivid details, overshadowing the underlying principles we're meant to learn. So how do we ensure our concrete examples truly serve their purpose? The key lies in variety and making connections explicit. By presenting multiple examples with varied surface details, we encourage students to look beyond the specifics to the underlying concept. It's not just about ecosystems in the environment, but understanding this idea of ecosystems in multiple contexts. Let's think about some actionable strategies to make the most of concrete examples in your teaching. First, diversify examples. Use a range of examples to cover the breadth of an abstract concept. Second, make connections clear. Don't assume the link is obvious. Explicitly tie the example back to the abstract idea. Third, encourage transfer. Challenge students to apply the concept to new, unrelated examples. Fourth, reflect and discuss. After presenting an example, facilitate a discussion that focuses on the abstract principle, not just the concrete details. The goal is not just for students to remember the story, but to grasp and apply the concepts those stories illustrate. By thoughtfully choosing and discussing concrete examples, we can turn abstract ideas into lasting learning. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow educators. Don't forget to subscribe and check out some of the other videos for effective teaching and learning. Until next time, keep making learning concrete and impactful.